Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling about you, hub network. A network is formed when two or more devices are connected to share data or resources. The hub acts like a bus where the same signal is transmitted to all the connections. All ports in a hub belong to the same collision domain, also known as multiport repeaters, transmit amplified signals to each port. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment on my videos. Definition of hub. The hub is also called as the multiport repeater, which transmits the amplified signal to each port, excluding the one from which the signal was received. A hub is used to link the networking devices physically for communication and successfully generate multiple hierarchies of stations. Hubs are unable to perform intelligent forwarding and process layer 2 and layer 3 information. It makes the decision on the basis of physical addressing instead of hardware and logical addressing. The hub cannot distinguish the type of the frame. That is the reason it forwards unicast, multicasts, and broadcasts to every other port except originating port. The multiple LAN cables are connected to the hub with the help of the RJ45 connector. These LAN cables can be at maximum 100 meters long to form a huge network of the enormous nodes. The hub can be linked in a hierarchical manner. The hub behaves as a linking device, which works in a half-duplex mode, where either transmission and reception of the data by the host is permitted at a time. Types of hub. Active hub. The active hub is one which provides the amplification and regeneration of the signals along with the connection. Passive hub. The passive hub works as a connector and connects multiple cables together, but there is no amplification and regeneration of the signal. Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling about you, hub versus switch are networking devices which provide a mechanism to connect several devices in order to communicate with each other. However, the hub works on physical layer, whereas switch operates on the data link layer. The hub and switch are the networking devices, which appear to be similar and physically used as a star topology. This is the main difference between hub and switch. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment on my videos. Conclusion. The hub operates on the physical layer of the OSI and shares the bandwidth between the ports. The half-duplex transmission mode is used in the hub. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.